This couldn't happen again. This is that one. This couldn't happen again. This is that one. This couldn't happen again. This is that one.
I just need you to stay here with me in the cold night, to heal me in the time I doubt, even just your voice. If it's you, then all okay. I just need your presence. I just need you to hug me with your deep voice around my ears, to hold my hands with the sound of your words, to calm me down. When an angel starts to build, I need your presence. The smile of you appears in my head when the evening comes. A melody of satin flowers, join them to tie. I need you like I need my blue. And when it strikes at 12 I cry to you. I just need you to hold for me while I'm asleep, to say some things I had to feel. Then know your voice be medicine to me. I won't feel dizzy if you're here with me.
With you all summer and after rain. 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 With you all summer and after.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last. Bang. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last. Bang. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to ever last. Bang. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too fast.
Because it's true. Inside of us, we both know you belong with Victor. You're part of his work, the thing that keeps him going. If that plane leaves the ground and you're not with him, you'll regret it. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon and for the rest of your life.
But what about us?
We'll always have Paris. We didn't have, we lost it until you came to Casablanca. We got it back last night.
When I said I would never leave you.
And you never will.
me something, and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. Are sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter, as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get along. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful, not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their laugh and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss, the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life means. Maybe I'm better if just get along. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful, not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you love. Emotions are made to be destroyed.
This is that once in a lifetime